Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. Enterprise volume licensed versions of Microsoft Office can operate in trial evaluation mode for up to 30 days. When the trial expires, the Rearm feature allows resetting the activation timer for another 30 days of legal Office evaluation use without having to activate a license or enter a product key. I have a trial version of Microsoft Office 2024 installed on my computer, but the trial period has now expired. Office activation is required to continue using the product beyond the trial period. Once the trial license has expired, it will no longer be possible to edit documents in the Office applications. All files are opened in a view-only mode. Let's look at how to legally extend the Microsoft Office trial period for another 30 days. Open a command prompt as an administrator and navigate to the Microsoft Office installation directory. Check the Office activation status using the built-in OsppRearm script. According to the output, the computer is running a volume edition of Microsoft Office 2021, for which the trial period has expired. The computer also has a retail edition of Microsoft Word 2021 installed, which is also in the grace period expired status. To reset the Microsoft Office trial period, use the built-in OsppRearm tool. Since multiple Office instances are installed on my computer, I must specify the SKU ID, a product identifier, to reset the activation grace period. This value can be copied from the output of the previous command. Add the product ID as an argument to the command, then run it. The command returned that the Microsoft Office Rearm was successful. Check the activation status of your volume edition of Microsoft Office once again. The product has switched back to grace mode, meaning you can use all features for free for the next 30 days. Restart the Microsoft Office application and check that it is now fully functional and does not require activation. Use the built-in slmgr script to get a detailed licensing status for Microsoft products on your computer. Run the command displayed on the screen. You can copy it from either the video description or the article at the provided link. Find the entry for the version of Office installed on your computer by scrolling through the list. My entry shows that Microsoft Office 2021 Standard Volume Edition has been installed on this computer and is currently within the initial 30-day grace period. The rearm count value shows how many grace period extensions are left. By default, Microsoft Office evaluation periods can be rearmed up to 4 times, each time for 30 days. In summary, this enables you to use Microsoft Office legally without activation for 120 days. However, this only applies to volume editions of Office. Retail editions of Microsoft Office can only be rearmed once and for a maximum of 5 days. The next run of the rearm command exhausted the Microsoft Office counter of remaining rearms. As a result, I can no longer extend the grace period of my Office by another 30 days. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.